Lagging and freezing are among the most common performance-related problems, reported by owners of the iPhone 12 mini who recently updated their devices to iOS 14.4. Seldom will you hear of a new Apple device to act up. But it's not an impossible circumstance, especially after installing a new system update. In this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone 12 mini that keeps lagging after iOS 14.4. First solution: close all background apps. When you have left your apps running in the background while updating your iOS, these apps become corrupted. Hence, rogued and corrupted apps can also affect your phone's overall functions. If your phone's screen is still responsive, simply close all the running apps to fix the problem. Here is how. Swipe up from the bottom, then pause slightly in the middle of the screen. Swipe left or right to navigate through the app previews. Then swipe up on an app preview to individually close the apps. After closing all the background apps on your iPhone, try to use your phone's features to see if the issue is already fixed. If it still keeps lagging, try the next solution. Second solution: force restart your iPhone. Once you're done force closing or clearing background apps, restart your iPhone to dump cache files from the internal memory and refresh the operating system. If your device is responding, then you can do the usual restart or soft reset with these steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Once your iPhone 12 mini has finished rebooting, try to see if it still keeps lagging or not. If it still does, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: check your device's storage. You need to make sure that your iPhone 11 still has enough storage memory left. If there's only less than a gigabyte, then you have to delete some of your files or uninstall some of the apps you don't use anymore. Apparently, if your device is running low on storage, performance issues will always occur because the firmware in most of the apps create new files when used. To check if your iPhone still has enough storage memory left, open Settings. Find and then tap on General. Now, touch iPhone Storage. In this screen, you will be able to determine how much space is left. If you still have enough storage left, then this problem is not caused by storage shortage. Move on to the next solution. Fourth solution: reset all settings. This procedure will bring your iPhone 12 mini back to its factory settings without deleting your files and data. You must do this if it still keeps lagging even after the first two procedures. We have also encountered similar issues in the past that were fixed by this very solution. Here's how you do it. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to use the phone as you normally would to see if it still keeps lagging. If it does, then you have to do the next procedure. Fifth solution: factory reset your iPhone. At this point, a factory reset is a must. It will fix this problem as long as the issue has not been caused by tampering the firmware. However, prior to the reset, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone 11 that keeps lagging. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that we've been able to help you. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notification. Thanks for watching.